Heading back to one of our favorite cities. But first, a quick bite. Being in a 9-to-5 grind, we sometimes take the chance to work wherever we can, or wherever there's a PowerPoint to plug into. Bangkok is one of our favorite places to come back to, and it's only a 2+ hour flight away from KL. Of course, we had to get our go-to Grab order as soon as we checked in. We got the quickie burger, the truffle mac and cheese, and the beef brisket sandwich. Onto the first order of business, food, and then a full day of shopping. By Mark Wiens, who's a food blogger and travels the world to eat, this is the second time we've been here. Good food that's near where we wanted to get our coffee fix. We lined up, placed our orders, and crossed the street to the earth Ekamai. We actually found this place by accident last year. We looked for a cafe that was around Phed Mark, and this was the closest. And today they had a special visitor too. An iced latte and a dirty latte to properly start the day. After that, we went back to Phed Mark to chow down. This time, we ordered the sweet pak krapao and the wagyu beef pak krapao. If you're looking for spicy, then get spicy. But it's really spicy though. After breakfast, we came over to Bang Sue Junction to shop. It's really just like a big red building at the edge of Chatuchak. They open every day at 10 AM and not just on weekends. So if you're looking for an alternative to Chatuchak before Fridays, you know where it's at. Plenty of cool stores. Say that again?
I want to spend more money because it's so nice.
And I got this for 700 baht. The mall is split into two sections, A zone and B zone. This is the center and on floor 5 or 6. We walked around and chanced upon a vintage camera store. Beach shirts for days. Literally every single day. The whole space is just 7 floors. There's like 2 more floors above, but it hasn't been occupied yet. It's a good place to thrift and to find one-of-a-kind pieces. Take your time, look through the chaos, sift through everything and find something you like. And over to the next mall. We didn't film much here because we knew we wanted to be quick. Having dessert while on our way to dinner. And what I love most about Bangkok, food everywhere. Not the best shot, but Bangkok has one of the best sunsets in my opinion. Seven floors to head up. Longan juice is a must and itadakimasu. They also have a dessert sister shop, but we have to go, so not for us today. Off to the main event of the night, and when in Bangkok, grab bike. Probably the most infamous illustration by Leonardo, created in 1492, it depicts the golden ratio or the perfect proportions of the human body. Imagine how much chicken rice you could buy with that.
Was the selfie invented?
Yes. The Mona Lisa is also known as Lisa Gherardini, wife of Francesco Gioconda, and Leonardo started painting it around 1502 or 1503. The reason it rose to fame is probably one of my favorites. It's because she wasn't a religious figure or anyone of importance. She was just an ordinary girl that's really cool, I guess, Miss Mona. You can get a ticket online for a specific date and then go anytime you want that day. We went 45 minutes before closing and practically had the whole exhibition to ourselves. Towards the end, they had an immersive experience with the arts and the music from the Renaissance period. We stayed a little longer so we could soak everything in. We also got free Van Gogh stickers at the end. And it's a great first full day in Bangkok. You can't forget the essentials, you know. See you next time.